Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to make like this light text effect in Canva. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open new project in Canva and go and drag your image that you want to work with. This one. So after that go to element and go to shapes. So click on it and try to hide all the page by this shape, but right now change the color to black and make the transparency on 17 degree or 70 degree, exactly like this. And after that go to apps, search for this type craft and click. Right now add your text and change the font if you want, and back from here and change the color to white. And right now click on reset shape like this, and after that click on add to design, and right now try to make it on the right place. I will just make it exactly here on this place, and after that duplicate it and go right now here, click on horizontal and do like this, like I'm doing right now, and click no mirror and come here and make it like this exactly. And after that click update element, click add a page and drag this here. And right now what you should do, make this bigger, and right now go and click on share, download, and download just the second page as a PNG format with a transparent background and click download. So after that go to upload and drag your image here, and after this drag it here. And right now what you should do, just go right now to flip and flip it vertical and try to make it here on the right place like this, guys. And right now you should go to apps. Where is apps? And search for blend image, blend image, click, and right now type on this one here, image blender. So click on this one here, and right now make this here and try to make this here and make this like this. Try to make it on the right place for you and go to strand and make it on 0. So after that just try to make this on the right place for you, like I'm doing, exactly like this. And guys, don't forget, sorry, now it's good, don't forget to click save. And after that go to share, click on download and download the first image as a PNG. Click download, and after that go to the second page, delete this, and go right now to element, drag your picture here, drag it also here on this page, make it like this. And right now what you should do, go again to apps and search for blend image, and click on this one. Right now click on this picture, click top layer, click on this one, and click here on this on bottom layer. And right now add to design, and right now make it like this. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.